Have you ever heard of dances in the animal kingdom? Well, get ready to be amazed, because some of these moves are wilder than a night at the disco. Let's start with the peacock spider. This little guy shows off moves that would make a professional dancer jealous. Let's move on to the bird of paradise. His performance is so flashy, it would even outshine Las Vegas. And last but not least, the Gentoo penguin. These elegant gentlemen in tuxedos put on a show so refined that it would make Fred Astaire clap. Don't believe us? Then take a look at these incredible dancers and be amazed.